Hello friends, welcome all of you once again to the Open for Learn channel. In this video we will learn 50 general knowledge questions and answers about Indian Railways. So let's get started. Question 1. Which is the largest railway station in India? Answer. Havda Junction in Kolkata. Question 2. Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Answer. Lord Dalhousie. Question 3. What is the mascot of the Indian Railways? Answer. Gholu, the guard elephant. Question 4. Which is the longest railway bridge in India? Answer. Vembanad Rail Bridge in Kerala. Question 5. What is the headquarters of the Indian Railways? Answer. New Delhi. Question 6. Which is the first electric train in India? Answer. Deccan Queen between Mumbai and Pune. Question 7. What is the abbreviation of IRCTC? Answer. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Question 8. Which train holds the record for the longest continuous run? Answer. Vivek Express, from Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. Question 9. What is the name of the luxury tourist train operated by IRCTC? Answer. Palace on Wheels. Question 10. Which is the oldest train in India? Answer. The Fairy Queen between Delhi and Alwar. Question 11. What is the UNESCO heritage site known as Mountain Railways of India? Answer. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, and Kalka Shimla Railway. Question 12. What does the abbreviation EMU stand for in the context of trains? Answer. Electric Multiple Unit. Question 13. Which Indian state has the first metro train system? Answer. West Bengal, Kolkata. Question 14. Who built the first railway in India? Answer. The British East India Company. Question 15. What is the Golden Quadrilateral in the context of the Indian Railways? Answer. It's a high-speed train route connecting Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Question 16. In which year was the first passenger train in India run? Answer. 1853. Question 17. What is the name of the fastest train in India? Answer. Gatiman Express. Question 18. Which is the longest railway platform in India? Answer. Gorakhpur Railway Station. Question 19. What is the name of India's first high-speed rail project? Answer. Mumbai-Ahmedabad High-Speed Rail, Mysore. Question 20. What is the abbreviation WAP in reference to Indian locomotives? Answer. Westinghouse Air Brake Locomotives. Question 21. Which Indian railway station has the longest name? Answer. Venkatanarsingharajuripeta in Andhra Pradesh. Question 22. What is the abbreviation of IRFC? Answer. Indian Railway Finance Corporation. Question 23. What is the total length of railway tracks in India? Answer. Around 121,407 kilometers. Question 24. What is the speed of the Vande Bharat Express? Answer. It can reach up to 180 kilometers per hour. Question 25. Which is the first railway station in India to be fully solar powered? Answer. Guwahati Railway Station. Question 26. What is the name of the Indian Railways loyalty program? Answer. Shubh Yatra. Question 27. What is the Tejas Express known for? Answer. It's a semi-high speed fully air-conditioned train. Question 28. what is the Indian Railways National Emergency Helpline number? Answer: 132. Question 29. Which is the longest train route in India? Answer: Dibrugarh-Kanyakumari Vivek Express. Question 30. What is the name of India's first double-decker train? Answer: Havda-Dhanbad Double-Decker Express. Question 31. Which is the highest railway station in India? Answer: Gum Station in Darjeeling, West Bengal. Question 32. What is the name of the train that operates between India and Pakistan? Answer: Samjhauta Express. Question 33. What does IR stand for in various Indian locomotive classifications? Answer: Indian Railways. Question 34. Which Indian city has the country's first monorail system? Answer: Mumbai. Question 35. What is the Indian railway station with the station code NDLS? Answer: New Delhi Railway Station. Question 36. What is the meaning of LHB in the context of train coaches? Answer: Linke-Hofmann-Busch, a type of German-designed passenger coach. Question 37. What is the Indian Railways vision document for the future known as? Answer: Vision 2024. Question 38. Which Indian city's metro system is called Namma Metro? Answer: Bangalore, Bengaluru. Question 39. What is the name of the Indian Railways paperless ticketing service? Answer: UTS on Mobile Unreserved Ticketing System on Mobile. Question 40. What is the rail route that connects India and Nepal? Answer: Jogbani-Biratnagar. Question 41. Which is the first metro rail project in India to be connected with Wi-Fi? Answer: Kolkata Metro. Question 42. What is the name of the Indian Railways fastest luxury train? Answer: Maharajas Express. Question 43. Which is India's first privately run railway station? Answer: Habibganj Railway Station in Bhopal. Question 44. What is the headquarters of the Western Railway Zone in India? Answer: Mumbai. Question 45. Which is the first railway station in India to be certified as green? Answer: Sikandarabad Railway Station. Question 46. What is the railway station with the station code CSTM? Answer: Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Mumbai CST. Question 47. What is the abbreviation of DMU in relation to trains? Answer: Diesel Multiple Unit. Question 48. What is the Indian Railways fastest luxury train? Answer: Maharajas Express. Question 49. Which is the busiest railway station in India? Answer: Havda Junction in Kolkata. Question 50. What is the railway station with the station code MAS? Answer: Chennai Central Railway Station. To watch similar educational videos, like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.